Okay, now it's time for your presentation. And where Keynote absolutely wins is it will connect to your Apple phone if you have the Keynote app on it. And what you're going to do is AirPlay your computer and then use your phone as a remote. To make this work, you are going to go to Keynote Preferences, choose Remotes, Enable, and then phones that are close by, it will pick those up. So if I press link, it's going to give me a code and I'm going to confirm that. And then I can close. And what will happen on my phone is now I can play the presentation. It will play it on my device, and then on my phone I'll be able to see the speaker notes, and then I can just go to the next slide, and I'm controlling it all from my phone where I can see the speaker notes, be engaged with the audience, make good eye contact, and my presentation is playing behind me. So this is where Keynote hands down wins the day.